You gotta make her fall.
No.
She starts to fly.
Why are you?
It's hard.
Let's see Austin do it.
I can't do it. Like, her knees are down by the chair, so it's easier for her to balance. Like my ankles.
Try it.
Watch him like flip double.
Oh, that'd be bad. Okay, push Jenna.
Your turn.
It's like slow motion.
Whoa.
Again.
Aw, Ellie got pushed.
I gotta hook my foot around something.
That'll be painful.
Why are you hooking your foot? Oh my gosh, you're hooked your foot. That doesn't look normal.
You don't look normal.
Okay.
Good one. Good one.
Shut up, Bostic. Bark like a
That's
seal.
true, too. Hey, stop videoing. You're not